Good morning, dear parents. Today I am going to tell you how could you use this Oxford Advantage or My Bag app to check the performance of your ward, that how many tests are being attempted by your kid and how many left. Now, you may check in the graphical order as well. So, first of all, you need to log in IT of your ward. So here I am using browser to log in an IT of a student. So first of all, we need to copy paste the link of Oxford Advantage here. Now this screen will appear in front of here. Now you need to log in the name of your ward. So here I am using an IT of a student of class 5th. Then fill password and click on sign in. When you click on sign in, this screen will occur in front of you. All the books are available here of your ward. All subjects book, those are available, could be visible on your screen. If you swipe, rest of will be visible to you. Now, first of all, you need to click on 3 lines which are visible on the right side of your screen. Now here I am just telling you about how to check the report as well as how to check assigned test to your ward. First of all, let me click on report. So here when you will click on report, a screen will be visible to you. Here it's taking a little bit time. Let it be open. Now it's visible. As you can see, here the name of your ward, class and admission number will be shown to you. Now, all the subject report is visible here. All the subjects report, like you can see here, that 5 subjects are there in Oxford Advantage app, excluding Punjabi and computer. It's not been included here. Now, a total number of assigned tests is 26, completed 25 and 1 overdue. Overdue means that this one might not be attempted by the student, as well as maybe the reason could be there that he tried to attempt it after getting over the time. Now, here you can see the graphical performance as well as the percentage also subject wise. You can see here all subject graph and performance percentage is being given here regarding attemptation of assignment and test given by the teacher. Okay, now let me show you some more things. If you will click on the 3 lines given on the left side of your screen, okay, this one will occur. Now let me tell you regarding activity center. In activity center, all the activities assigned by the teacher will be visible to you. In this one, in the first one point, upcoming activity means those activity which are about to come or in future the student required to attempt. That would be there. Means if the teacher will assign an activity regarding the future time period, that would be visible here. The numbering would be visible here. Then online classroom activity which would be assigned by the teacher will be shown here. The pending activity which are not being done by any of the student will be visible here. Completed activity will also be seen here, and if you want to view all the activity, that would be visible here. Like for example, let me click on here so that it will be well clarified to you. So I clicked on view all activities. So let it be open. Now here you can see like all the activities which are being assigned by the teacher are visible here. Now if you want to check subject wise, means individually subject activity you want to check, then you can click on all, and here all the subject name will be visible to you. And like I am going to click on SST. So here social studies activity will be visible. So let it be open, then it will be visible to you and you can check out. Here a look. One more thing let me tell you regarding this. On the right side, if you check down on the right side, okay, 4 boxes are there in grey color, yet to view, red color overdue, brown color rejected, green color completed. Yet to view means not checked by the student, overdue means time gone, rejected, not done by the student, and completed means well completed by the student. Here I am using an ID of one student who has completed almost all activity except one. So that's why here, as you can see, the red dot will be visible where it's not being done, that overdue, the time was gone when the student tried to open up. Rest all green color dots are visible, as you can see here, means these all are being done by the student. Along with that, you can check the remarks and marks of the student as well. Whatever remark is being given by the teacher in written format. Here, no remarks are given, only the marks are given by the teacher. So, here you can see the student got a 15 out of 15, and you can check out the date, etc. From this, the student won't able to just not to be get noticed regarding any of the thing. You can check out anything, anytime. Now, let me show you regarding the listening tool. Please motivate your ward to use listening tool as much as possible. If you will click on this rectangle, okay, you will be able, if you click on play mode, you will be able to visualize the listening tool, and the listening tool is dictionary is available here. And if you click on the notification, all the notification sent by the teacher, that will be visible to you here. Like, have a look, these are the notifications sent by the teacher. You can see here, like some notifications sent by the teacher name Poonam Kumari, other of Raman Barar ma'am is been shown here. You can check directly through here as well. So I hope, dear parents, this video will be useful for you to check your ward's performance. Thank you so much.